guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup collab with the one and only Just Jessica here on YouTube. I will put her link down in the description box for you guys to go and check out her channel. She wanted to create a makeup look using the Kat Von D Fetish palette, so I thought that was cool because I'm going to be using the red shades because I'm wearing like strawberries and I just kind of feel like very red today. Here's the palette and these are the colors I'm going to be using. This one, this one, this one, and I think this one, and maybe this black one. So this palette is gorgeous. I love it. Kat Von D always made such awesome makeup. I will be creating a makeup look using this. I'm going to turn this into a get ready with me, get to know me. Who needs a cup when you can just do this? Oh, just bear with me right now with this. Here, I just wanted something instead of a blue wall, but ooh, I'm such an animal. It's freaking awesome for all you makeup lovers out there. You need this in your life. It's actually for makeup brushes. Like if you like using the same makeup brush, you can just do this. And it's like magic. The first color I'm gonna use is this one. It's called Safe Word for the starter shade. I'm just gonna use this like fluffy brush and just blend that into my crease. I'm just blending that into the crease. So, first question is, would you rather have 6 sons or 6 daughters? Oh, 6 sons, because that's just 6 daughters. That's a lot of hormones. Oh, Lord have mercy. Too many periods in that house and hormones and oh my goodness, I'm gonna go with 6 sons. What is something you look for in a partner? Well, I have the perfect partner right now, so my partner has a great dirty sense of humor, and that's what I love. And what I've always looked for. Because, you know, I could never be with a person that is, like, that's not very ladylike. Or, like, do a split. Oh, I heard breakage. Woman down. Oh, I'm sore now. Less talky, more makey. I'm going to take this pretty shade here. It's Bondage. The same makeup brush, so that's where this comes in handy. Okay, next question is, can you close your eyes and raise your eyebrows? Get wrinkles doing that, but I can do it. You touch your nose with your tongue. No. How many rings before you answer the phone? Honestly, I never answer my phone. It like irritates a lot of people, but I don't answer my phone. I never do. I do not like talking on the phone. I'm not a phone person at all. Or would you choose to max out your credit card? It would be EB Games or some sort of like video game store. So I'm gonna take this beautiful red shade here. It's The Matrix. Called The Matrix. It's this nice red, shimmery, glittery shade. This is easier than using brushes, in my opinion. Do you take any pills or medication daily? Yes, I actually do. I take 2. I take antidepressants because I do have severe anxiety and major depression, so my medication like helps me. I'd rather be on medication than go back to being paranoid and worried and scared all the time and I would cry all the time, and it was not easy without medication. So I just feel like there's like pros and cons to taking medication, you know what I mean? for me, it's like I'll be stuck taking medication for the rest of my life. Like vitamins too on a daily basis. I take like a multivitamin, I take B12, I take vitamin D3s, sometimes I'll take vitamin C, so I do take like vitamins also, just to like help keep me healthy and give me energy and stuff. So the question is, can you dance? No, I can't dance, but I mean I dance anyway. You know, I'm no like Jennifer Lopez, you know, but shake my ass anyway. I don't care. I don't even care what I look like. I just do it anyway, because I don't give a shit. This black matte shade now, it's called Rubber. And I was gonna put a little bit of that in the outer corner of my eye, just to smoke it out just a little bit. Hey, if somebody can admit they're crazy, then they're not crazy. Because somebody who is crazy wouldn't know they're crazy. Right? But I know I'm crazy. So really, I'm not really crazy, if you really think about it. Color I'm gonna go in is with this Sex shade here. The yellow shade. I'm just gonna take a little bit on a fluffy brush. And I'm gonna use it to blend out the top of my eye, down below my brow bone. This Kat Von D palette too. It's the Saint and Sinner palette. And it just looks like this. Like a matte white shade from the palette. I'm gonna take Amen, which is just this white shade, matte white shade. Loose powder. It's just this white powder just to kind of clean up a little bit of the fallout I had. Get rid of, oh god, I hope that doesn't destroy my makeup. This liquid eyeliner. This is the LA Colors Eye Maker black eyeliner. I got this at the Dollar Tree. I really like that eyeliner. And I think it's waterproof too, which is even better. Okay, next I'm just gonna use this mascara. It is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original Black Mascara. Getting somewhere. I just gotta do my lips and then we're done. Da, da, da. It's Nars lip liner pencil. I actually got this in my BoxyCharm when I used to get it. It's in Good Times. Personally, I wouldn't buy this because it's too fucking expensive. It's like freaking like $30 or probably more for a freaking lip pencil. That brand is on drugs. Use this one and one of the Kat Von D's lip creams. This is Jolly Cosmetics. That's the brand. I think that's what it says. To top it with this Kat Von D lip cream in Blossom. It smells so good. I'm going to be putting it on the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. I've had this for a long time too. I'm just going to spray this to do this hair. So, I mean, should I do my hair? I don't know. Hair up half and half, just like this. I feel like that's good enough. So lazy. Such a lazy ass. It's the completed look. Just threw my hair up like this. Did my makeup like this. Anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this makeup collab with the one and only Just Jessica. You guys got to get to know me a little bit better. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.